1, 2, 3, go. The summer we passed.
Rasta!
When my days end, I must just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then. And let's do tonight again.
Hi! I'm Hi, Danica. Michelin Roblet. Hi guys, we're here at Palawig, Zambales.
So for today itinerary, we will just gonna swim,
We're just gonna swim.
and after that we're gonna go bath up. And they have bath soap already, so we don't have to worry about it.
Hello. This is the beach.
Beach girl,
This is the beach.
there's no people around here, only us. Like
Ay,
it's very
baba pala.
calm, peace, serenity, and all
Ay.
shit of you.
Lahat na lang adjective sinabi niya.
Alisin ko na yung ano ko dito guys, yung pilik mata ko.
Oh my God,
so
who's
I
that
can replace
girl?
it. She has to put it guys. But I don't
Sige,
have.
sige, tinan mo ako malalim.
Malalim yan, Gagi.
Sige nga, tinan
Lang dito ka lang.
Takot nga ako
Hindi
eh.
ba maliligo?
Hindi ko alam.
Maligo na tayo.
Go!
Baka mo, pwede mo maligo.
Sige. Kaya ko muna. Hindi ba malalim? Hindi ko alam. Hindi malalim?
Tayo, picture.
Guys, tignan nyo yung mga anak ko.
Hindi ka ligo.
Baka hindi mo na. Sabik na sabik sa dagat. Hala! Ay, wait na yung boat.
Rewind and put your hands up. Oh, keep those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do it tonight. Tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do tonight again. One more dance and I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song.
Ay, vlog na yan. We are here at Sunset Villas in Palawig, Zambales.
Jolly ko.
The summer we passed.
Rasta!
Yes, yes, yes! Sobrang walang energy nung kabila, pansin niya. Oh.
Hi guys, so this result is from our prostodontic one. from
Hello?
game lang. Wait, yun ako man daw pindutin.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano? Wala mo naman yun. Ikaw kung ano?
Ang sukun.
Pasado no! Pasado! Hindi mo kami pinaprank. Kasi na muna.
Meron namang ano.
Totoo?
May summer naman. Ano? Ano bang ako ano?
Pasado.
Yan, anong comment mo yan?
Wala, nag-stop tuloy ako ng video.
Tawid eh.
Nawa na ako.
Galing ko na may paluwa pa. Sabit.
Ano daw? Sabit? Tingnan ko mga mo siya. Lagot ka kay alagad. Anong sasabi mo sa alagad? Yay!
Yay, good job, bro.
Nakainis lang.
Stop na.
Thanks, Jerica.
Mitch, hati tayo dyan. Ay? What's that?
Gusto ko din yan.
Oh!
Yan ang hati tayo, yan.
Can I, ano?
Ito?
Oh, Dubai, guys! Oh my God!
I love
We love Janica for this. Oh my God!
Ano siya?
So, how?
Tinapay?
Cookie talaga siya, hindi siya
Wait lang,
mochi.
taste test. Paano?
si Janica
Paano,
pa.
Janica? Igayon.
Kainin mo na.
Paano kayo?
Ano?
Depende siya dyan.
Yan. Huwag niya yan siya, ha?
Thanks, Janica.
Ay, ang sarap.
Sarap, rate
Ang
mo.
sarap.
Rate.
Ang unique.
10 over 10. Sobrang
Halata
sarap.
mong mahal.
Halatang mahal.
Halata mo,
Magkano to?
halata mo si Janica ang bumili. No, sister ni Janica ang bumili.
Ang sarap.
Sobrang baba naman. Parang kuba na tayo.
Kuha po kayo. Facebook barut?
Anong comment mo doon? Masarap. Anong comment mo doon?
Sobrang yummy, it's like me. Ala, yung ngipin ko.
Anong comment mo doon, Mitch?
Sarap po. Minutes ko
Sarap.
mo. Ano ba? Ayaw mo na?
Ako gusto ko hati.
Uy, ako din, pengi.
Nag-aalok ako, ayaw.
Kasi tatlo.
Oh, hati tayo, hati. Ay,
Tiyan mo ko, tiyan mo ko.
Tiyan mo, pag isang kagat nila ako magre-reklamo na. Ayun na. Ano?
Malit lang nag-loading yan, hindi pa nag-send. Isa-resend mo ulit.
Uy, wala na si Janica.
Ayaw na niya daw.
Ayaw mo na to.
Ang sarap.
Wala.
Di naman.
Ulit mo.
Pagating ko na lang at bala ko.
Ulit mo. Nag-chocolate pa siya. Niya.
Puro lamon.
Hindi tayo magugutom.
Picture ulit. Tara.
Tara.
Umugug ka na lang yan.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Welcome to our villa. Excuse the mess of the girls. So first, we have this 100-inch TV.
Sobrang. And
And the bed. What size is this? This more
king
than
size.
king.
More than king.
Yeah.
Baka God size.
And then
Guys, yung mga maleta namin sobrang kalat na dito.
and then the kitchen.
Wow.
Funny enough, we're not allowed to cook, but they provided us with a decent kitchen naman. So
Guys, i-translate
Yeah, it
nyo
makes
na lang
sense.
yan.
So-
Kasi,
But they
yeah,
flavor
Mitch,
it
anong
with-
comment po, Mitch?
Yeah. I agree.
Yes, wonderful.
And this is the most amazing part of the villa, in my opinion.
Wow. Which is?
Kasi we have a
Which is the
bathtub.
mirror. The bathtub.
Yeah, we have the bathtub there.
Wow.
Yeah.
May account ka? Oh, yeah! Kasi yung gagawin yung kapatid. Namin yung kapatid ko yung Ay, ito may social media account.
Hi guys.
Kanya lang palagi nyo kakainin.
Anong oras na? Time check.
Time check. Ano ko din sinabi lulot natin?
Sunline check. Sabi niya time check. 11:56. Sana yung time check?
7:58.
7:58 guys. Nanonood kami ng horror movie.
Hi guys. I'm eating sandwich bread.
Sabi mo, thank you, Yana.
Thank you, Yana. Hello? Wait lang! Rate mo yung ano?
Packing?
Hindi, ito. Yan ang atik mo.
Nakatim na ko yun.
Ano rate mo?
Mga 1. Karet, 9 yan.
0.0.
Yan sa akin yung bed.
Hindi pumatok yung Sprite.
Okay, say good night, guys.
Good night. Eh, mag-movie pa tayo.
Good night. Good night.
A rakish looking man named Miguel Diego Torres. He's in love with her. We've decided to promote this union by giving them time.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours.
Hi guys, it's day 2. Here's Janica and Ruth taking pictures. Uy, yung sarap. May flash ba ito? May flash? Lumalabas sa flash? Ay, wala. Walang flash na lumalabas. Ruth, say hi. Hi! Janica. Ano? Ano mo? Grabe, sobrang ganda nila, guys. And here is the view.
It's the day 2 of our trip, guys. Punta natin si Ina Merles. Okay, dyan kayo. Ano ba dito ang titingin? Punta natin si Ina Merles. Ina. Yan na. Say hi. Hi. Sad girl siya, guys. Ganda. What the frick? Stop pa rin. Balikan na natin sila dun, guys. Masyado naman atang zoom. There, guys. Kita niyo pa sila doon. Kita ba doon? Uy, sasarap. Uy, ang sasarap. Ay, wow.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Hi guys. Look check. Tingnan mo naman. May tanong lang ako talaga guys. Tingnan mo kasi. How do I flip this? Yan. Tingnan mo naman ang itsura nila. Ay, Janica, ayos ka. Ay, sexy mo dyan, oh. Wow, with me. Like, look at her look. Tapos, ayan na. Tapos, si Ruth. Tapos, tell me why. Tell me why ngayon sila mag-aaya mag-picture. Tingnan mo ang itsura ko. Na-enjoy ko na yung dagat, eh. Tapos, sabi niya, picture daw kaming lahat. Like, do you get the vibe? Yan si Mitch, oh. Basa din siya. Tapos sasabihan kami na mag-picture na daw. Tell me why. Tell me why. Diba? Tell me why. Oh my God. Marilag to, be. Ito naman, dancer talaga. Pakita mo naman sa vlog ang dancer natin, be. Talagang hindi talaga siya tumitigil. Talagang lahat ng sayaw sa TikTok, kakanain niya ngayon. Tingnan mo. Mitch, kaway ka dito, Mitch. Ayun, no? O, sige, panoorin niyo sumayaw siya. Ay, nahiya. Nahiya, wag niyo kasi siyang videohan. Huwag kayong ganun. Huwag kayong ganun parang sumasayaw. Ayun, bibidyoan natin siyang pa-secret lang. Yan, kita niyo siya. Kita niyo siya, sumasayaw. Ayan, sumasayaw siya. Kita niyo siya. Ngayon, guys, day 2 pa lang, full storage na si Ruth sa TikTok. Putsang outfit yan. Alam mo para siyang naghihirap na pag bumili siya ng outfit, kailangan talagang kanang-kana mag-picture. Dapat gano'n. Pero guys, ang ganda ko kumuha. Ang ganda ng shot ko, Beo. So, bye-bye guys. We're gonna eat lunch. Bye, Ana. PM. Anong mong gagawin namin? Hindi mo alam. Ay, magiinom. Ang pakana nitong lahat. Ayun. Ayun. Tita, yung anak mo. Sobrang against the light. Ito ang ating mastermind.
Yung nagyaya ang uminom.
Si Yana. Our drink for today. Vodka. Si Ruth, wala yan, papansin lang yan para lang siya, para lang siyang kasama sa, O nga, Ruth, pasok ka na. Kaya mo na kami tatlo dito. So, yan guys, mag-iinom kami. Kasi, bakit ba? Ba't ba kayo nagtatanong bakit kami iinom? Ano ba? Atayin nyo. Hi guys. Nag-tiktok kami ni Mitch sa Tapos na kami uminom kasi apparently, sabi niya na ay mamaya na lang daw ulit. Baka may tama na siya, so ayaw niya na. Cut off, bitch. Cut off. Ayan si Mitch. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, anong oras na, Mitch? 3:31? Yeah. Yan na, 3:30 na eh. 3:30 magsiswimming na kami, guys. Okay? We're gonna go in the sea! We're gonna go in the water! We're gonna dive in the sea! Okay, bye guys. We're gonna swim.
Hi guys. So, ayaw nila ako picturean. Naiyak na ako kasi ayaw nila talaga ako picturean. Nasa sunbathing ako ngayon. Like, it's so very hot. Oh my gosh. Hala, nawala na naman yung nails ko. Hanasan ko kaya hanapin to. Pero sige, hanapin ko mamaya. Ang init.
Hi guys, we are here at the ocean. Let's show you. Ganun siya. Look how pretty, right? Pretty, right? Yeah. Ganon. To see who is this sexy lady. This one is Ruth. Hi! Hi! Hi, vlog! Hi! Kasi Yana.
Hey guys.
Yun, yan ah. Oh, ikot tayo. One. Ngalay na ako, be. One. Ikot ah. One. Sana, si Mitch. 1, 2, 3. Ikot, Mitch. 1, 2, 3. Go. Pag ganun. 1, 2, 3. Go.
O sige, mahulog yan ha.
Hi guys.
So we're going to the beach
We're going to
again.
the beach to take some pictures.
Because you're a
Sunset
bitch. So the sea is very calm and serene. Serene? What serene
Ulit,
is?
ulit.
It's very peaceful here and it's so much, Oh, compared to yesterday sunset, it's more beautiful yesterday than today.
Mas madaming tao ngayon.
Yes, more people for today, guys. So I cannot take a picture for my bikini, but no, I don't have hiya. Oh no, it's not yet lubog.
Ay, wala pa.
We're gonna
look
wait.
at the view.
We're gonna wait for the lubog part of the.
You're my best view.
Oh, yung dami. Oh, so di kaya ni Johnny ka today.
Oo nga, ang dami.
Johnny ka is afraid of dogs.
Ngayon na magpapaalam si Ruth. Anong masasabi naman ni Gamboa? Hi guys. Last na daw, last na daw. Uy, last na daw, last na daw. Uy, siya yung last niyan. Tignan mo matatapos yan, madilim na.
Natara.
Kasi ganun niya, sabi niya kanina, last na. Tapos, gago doon sa doon na lang sa, so, nakakaya naman kasi, di ba, mga gagawin namin, ano ba, wag kayong ganun, guys. Nakakaya kayo, guys. Wag kayong mapicture na papicture. Tara. Tapos, pag sinabi niya hindi, sabihin mo. Sabi niya, ano ba, papicture na yung papicture. Tama lang yun, guys. Ano ba? Nakakaya naman to. Huwag kang ganun. Nagpipicture yung mga tao. Thank you pa. So, di ba nakakaya guys? Siyempre, check pa naman namin siya. So, di ba? Ganun nakakaya. O, tara na. Balik na tayo, Mitch. O, sige na ba? Sige na. Babalik na kami ni Mitch, ha? Babalik na kami ni Mitch, ha? Okay na lang, ha? Oo, babalik.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Parang siguro mga around 24 pieces yon. Tapos, di ba kapag elementary meron...
Hi guys, so it's our day 3 here in Sambales. So inverted siya. Ano ba yan? Nakakainis. Pero it's our last. We don't have a train.
It's our last full day. Ano ba yan?
I-picture pa sila Jaja. So we're just gonna wait for them. Then it's our turn later.
Gusto ko na mag-swimming, guys.
Lagi naman gusto mong
Tagal nyo. Akala ko ba, mamayang hapon pa magpipicture.
Wala daw tayong picture na nasa tayo.
Good morning, guys! Johnny kasi good morning. And now, what day is it today?
Saan siya?
Sobra sa accent, be. Day 3, tapos siya na bed rotting. Ang feeling. Manawagan ka kay Tita Rhea. Manawagan ka kay Tita Rhea. Ay, naku, Yana. Guys, grabe, surot na mga kagawa. May magagalit na naman surot. It's her creative juices or something.
Lahat ng post, ginawa niya na.
Wala kayong makikita ngayon sa Pinterest.
Ano makakaisip nito?
Wala kayong makikita sa Pinterest niyan, guys.
Very original.
Pag naghanap kayo ng post, guys, visit kayo sa Instagram ni Ruth. Madami yon. Yun ang tunay na Pinterest. Kumbaga, gusto mo maging hindi ka common, yung mga post mo nun ka. Kahit mga model, hindi may iisip yun. Uy, magagalit na rin si Ruth. Tama na. Oh, parang sarap nun yan. Silog.
Sige,
Tara, kain daw ka. O, diba? Punyeta naman ng gastos talaga. Ito naman, guys. Walang ginagawa. Laging gutom. Nakahiga lang. Nag-cellphone lang. Nag-aircon lang dito. Laging gutom. Hindi yan nagsiswimming, ha? Po? Nakadepende. Nakadepende. Ay, sige. Ano, asan na?
So, pwedeng
Asan yung menu? Saan po yung menu po? So, Lord, I'm one. Lord, I'm two. Guys, yan. Namadaldal na rin. Ano po yung fried potato? Pasilog, corn.
May
silog.
shake na?
Ay, may shake na po. Wala pa yun. Corn beef. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you so much po. Alam mo, this resort is actually good. Very, very far from the reviews of the other people here. So, to risk it all. Say you want the moon. Lunchtime. Say hi. Yan na. Good.
And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it.
Every God, praise God, amen. Thank you, Lord, for this life.
Ano pong masasabi niyo?
Sobrang dami ko lang sinabi dyan. Naka-timelapse pala yung hype.
Yarn, yun ang zoom. Ayan ang zoom.
Kung kwento mo, paano tayo nahatid dito? Kasi kayo yung kausap.
Ano kasi, kanina, or just, hindi kasi sinasagot nung kinuhanan namin yung number na driver nung last, nung nagatid sa amin sa villa. Tapos ngayon, edi, kinausap namin si ate sa villa. Sabi namin, ate, meron po ba kayong like, ganyan, or pwede po bang pakontak ganyan? Sabi niya, ayan, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, nag-suggest ba si ate kung saan magandang coffee, ganyan.
Pero nakita ko yun, Ruth.
Tapos
Tapos cafe na sinasabi niya.
Ay, walking student.
Nakita ko yung cafe
Oo,
na
nakita
sinasabi
ko
mo.
din. Okay naman siya.
Pero same vibes.
Dahil pala doon tayo kagabi, no?
Oo.
Naglakad sana tayo kagabi doon. Hindi naman
Pero
nakakata-
pagod na din tayo kagabi.
Oo.
Ano ba ginawa natin kahapon? Ba't pagod tayo? Maaga tayo nagising, 6 a.m.
Tapos tayo kagabi.
Mabilis na, sunod na.
Tapos edi ayaw, nag-usap ko. Tapos ang bait ka mo, pa yung tawag sa amin ni Yana na, punta kayo dun sa ganyan-ganyan.
Hindi na siguro
cafe."
miss niya na si Tita Rhea kasi kanina nananawagan na siya kay Tita Rhea para sunduin.
Tapos yun, sinabi nila na, ayun, ganyan-ganyan, dyan na lang kayo magpatilan. Anong oras ba kayo doon na? Nagtahin ba kayo na? Ganyan. Sabi, hindi po, balikan nyo na lang po kami ganyan-ganyan. Tapos yun, tinawag niya si Kuya. Mabait yun si Kuya yung naghatid sa amin dito. Siya yung kuyang nagbigay sa amin ng mangga.
Sila mo panlamang mo.
Mabait sila. Literal. Pero bakit ganun ang layo ng reviews?
Diba, guys, calling out lahat ng tao nag-stay sa Sunset Villas. Di kaya yung problema?
Pero for real, mababait yung mga tao. Doon, sa villa.
Harap. Daniel, what can you say about the fries? Good. It is so good. Guys, chicken inasal. Curry inasal. What's your order, Mitch?
15 minutes.
How about you, Janica?
Angus beef burger with potato wedges and matcha sauce.
Ito rin curry mo.
Guys, I got bisco.
Hindi tayo naglampa naman pa.
Sarapan ito sa suka.
Janica, hi ka. Ayun, naghihintay pa rin kami. Okay lang po. Sige po. Picture daw. Para sa cafe nila. Ayun guys, mag-picture kami.
Guys, mag-video okay kami. Dubit kami na yan. Lagay mo dito. Oh, sige, lagay mo.
Kanina to? Kanina to? Comment like. From the man who can't be moved. All my demons run wild. If I am thinking of you in another life, I would be your girl. Kalaya, tinatalo mo kung bawat gabi. You don't know, babe, when you hold me. But when you call me, babe.
So, we're planning to go swimming tonight kasi, you know, gusto naming sulitan since this our last night here. Yeah, we're going home. This our last day here. Last night. Yeah, we're planning to extend talaga. Kasi we've been really enjoying our stay here.
We're going back. Mark my words, we're going back. Going back. If ayaw nila, I'm going back.
With?
Jesus!
Akala ko with special someone. So, yan. But then, pagdaan namin doon, ang daming people na nagsiswim doon sa pool area. And we're too afraid to swim dyan sa ocean. Kasi nga, it's already nighttime. And walang pailaw dyan sa area na yan. So, yeah. And that's it for our quick update.
9:24 p.m. At andito kami. Kakauwi. Hindi kakauwi. Mali yung sinasabi mo, B! Hindi ka nung nag-vlog! Sinungaling ka! Okay. Nagkatapos lang namin mag-karaoke. And then, sabi nila magna-night swimming daw kami. So, nagdami-dami namin plano, night swimming. Tapos sabi ni Mitch, bili daw ako ng pagkain kasi baka magutom ako pagkatapos ng swimming. Tapos ang ending, guys, tignan mo ang mga itsura nila.
Ay, ako tutuloy ako sa swimming.
Ayan, tignan mo, ayan si tulog. Bagsak, diba? Tulog. Si Janica, nag-aabang lang si Janica kasi swimming kami. Tapos ayan si Mitch. Andun siya, guys. Ayun. Yung kumot na yan, si Mitch yan. By the way, guys, sobrang bait ng mga tao sa Shine's Cafe. Yeah.
If you're going to Zambales, guys.
Yeah, wait lang, Janica. One more time.
Guys, if you're going to visit Zambales, specifically Palawig, if you're just around the area, please go to Shine's Cafe. Super worth it. There are floating cottages. The food is good. The service is good. The people are nice. 10 out of 10 siya for me. For us.
Yes, amen. At
Good
may bangkay
experience.
sa tabi. Bakit red yung dibdib niya? Sunburn ba yan? Grabe, wala pa siyang... Ay, gising niya si Mitch. Narinig niya ata yung sinasabi ko sa kanya. Ayun o, gising na siya. Baka wala kang baby time, Mitch. Guys, uwi na kami. Alam nyo guys, we were really planning to extend. So, chinek ko sa Agoda yung availability. Sold out sila kahit anong room. Grabe. Grabe naman ang buhay na to. Yun talaga, minsan talaga. If it's not meant to be, it won't be. Oh my God! Wait lang guys, may kukunin ako. I have this thought. Wait lang.
Your journal?
Guys, I had this thought kanina. Sa beach ako. Tapos nalala ko siya kanina, nasa CR na. Pag-uwi namin. So, to wrap off the Zambales trip, I'm gonna ask everyone to write a sentence about this trip in my journal. Diba? That's so cute. Ah, sige. What day is it today?
You're so sentimental.
May 22.
Video ka ba?
Opo. Say hi, Hana. Ayan si Hana, guys. Gising pa yan. So, lalagay natin sa journal natin. Anong lalagay natin? Last day. Last day. Of our... No, not really last day. Oh, last full day.
Michelin Roblet.
Bales trip.
Ruth, wake up. Wake up, Ruthie cutie.
Grabe, naririnig niyo ba yung sama ng ugali ni Yana? Guys, napagod siya. Kaya, nakamukha siya.
Natutulog mo pa.
Bakit mo lang pula ka? Uy, si Janica, bibidyo ko nga eh. Ka nga.
Kapot maganda ko.
Sige, Sleeping Beauty, sige. 26, May 22. Okay, Janica would be the first one to write.
Okay. Hi guys, so it's our day 4. Yana, what day are we now? Yana! Bini siya guys. It's our last day here in Palawig, Zambales. So nagsiswim na sila kung kakatapos ko lang magpicture. Pero magsiswim na rin ako niyan. Kasi ang init na B, paano magsiswimming niyan? Andun sila. Nandun sila sa dagat. So, yeah, I'm gonna swim and swim and swim mamaya. So, see you later, guys. Bye!
Ayos na. Everybody's closing up their baggage and I'm not ready to go.
Aga, nag-hook ako.
Yes naman to.